read well. If you go in private school, then you can become anything in your life. But if you go in a government school, then you can't become anything in your life. And government school of teacher is a very lazy. But private school of teacher is not lazy. He want to teach you. But government school of a teacher, he don't want to teach you. He has more knowledge, but he don't want to teach you. He want to only rest. And if you want to read, then you should go in a private school. You should not go in a government school. If you want to read English, then you should go in a private school, because private school of a teacher, he will teach you English. He will teach you speak English. If you go in a private school, then you can speak English. But if you go in a government school, then you can't speak English. Suppose if you read in class 10th standard, you want to become a doctor, engineer, and so many things in your life, then you can become. If you read in private school, suppose if you want to become a doctor, then you should read bio. If you read bio with experiment, then you can become anything. For read bio with experiment, you should go in private school, because there is a lab in private school, but there is no lab in government school. If you read in bio with experiment, then you will become a good doctor in your life. Suppose if you want to become engineer in your life, then you should read physics with experiment. And if you read physics with experiment, then you will become engineer. And if you read anything with experiment, then you will never forget, and you can tell this point anywhere. So you should go in private school. You should not go in a government school. So private school is better than government school. Thanks for listening.
Good clapping for Riya.